Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Government to initiate action against house owners renting premises without intimation to police. CM says no intentions to join Modi government. E-auction is not a feasible option, opines Chief Minister. State to inform Apex Court Parrikar assures Kaure villagers of legal O transportation. Panji police bust racket of motorbike robbers, nabbed 2 thieves including a policeman from headquarters, recovers 13 motorbikes, more seizures on. Prudent to telecast Lok Sabha results live on 16th May. Uninterrupted live coverage to begin from 8 in morning. Live streaming on website. And 113 people die in road accidents in 4 months. Almost 1 death a day. More than 90% accidents due to rash driving. Police release figures. Now the news in detail. Government will soon initiate action against house owners who rent their premises without proper verification and intimation to police. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar was speaking to media on the backdrop of Nesai blast. While replying on reports about his probable elevation to Delhi, CM made it clear that he has no intention to join Union Cabinet if BJP comes to power. People of Goa have elected him as CM and he will serve Goa till 2017.
सत्य सांगता हांव दिल्लीक काय वचना म्हाका लोकांनी हांगोच्या लोकांनी 5 वर्सांनी निवडलो सो आय फील दॅट माय ड्युटी इज टुवर्ड्स गोवा एटलीस्ट अप टू 2017 अजून पर्यंत संघान केन्नाच म्हाका कितेंच सांगूं ना तुमी अध्यक्ष पदाचें हें जाल्यार म्हाका संघान कांयच सांगूं नासलें कोणें म्हाका वेळ उलोवन ना सुद्दां विशयाचेर प्रेसांच्यारूच कितें म्हणटा तें अशी आळमी कशी वयर सरता आयजूय म्हजे कडेन कोणूच उलोवन ना पार्टींतलोय उलोवन ना संघातलोय उलोवन ना वयल्यांच्यान उलोवन ना सकयल्यांच्यान उलोवन ना कोणें म्हाका कांयच सांगूं ना सो वाय शूड आय अस्यूम दॅट माय नेम इज आय एम नॉट इवन MP. If I was MP, I could have understood.
Government has taken strong cognizance of blast at Nesai in Margao. Chief Minister says police will trace and book all people involved in this blast. Police will investigate the house owner who rented room to bomb maker and deceased Paplu Mulgan without verifying his background.
ते सगळे आमी कंप्लीट ताजे उस्तून काडपाक सुरू केला त्या मनशाचे
पूण एक्यूज डेड जाल्ल्यांचो त्रास जावचे ना मातशें एक्यूज मेलो न्ही
कित्याक त्रास जातलो
कित्याक
ताका सप्लाय कोण करतालो तो सोदून काडटा तो कोणाक विकतालो ते सोदून काडटा तांकां सगळ्यांचेर केस घालता पळय आनी कोणें ताका घरांत दवरला पळय तिजेरूय केस जावंक जाय बरें तांकां खबर आसा the concerned person know that this man was going at night time and coming back early morning every day परत आमी बॉब मारता ते कितें फकाणां तर लोकांक आतांय सांगता आतां सांगून जालें आतां आमी नाव वी विल स्टार्ट टेकिंग एक्शन आफ्टर जून जुलय नेक्स्ट सीजन देर विल बी एक्शन इफ यू कीप अननोन पर्सन विथ यू.
Our senior reporter from Panji Laukik Shilkar and Omkar Farari for Prudent.
Auctioning is not feasible for state government. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar opined that auctioning involves many complications which government can't handle. Following Supreme Court's order, state government had undertaken 3 rounds of e-auctioning of the extracted ore. State government informed that they will inform the court that auctioning is not feasible for state government. Chief Minister assured Kaure villagers that illegal transportation of auctioned ore will not be allowed. He also asked the Mines Department to re-verify the quantity of extracted ore.
After e-auctioning of the extracted ore, government also has to look into transportation and other aspects of ore export, which is not an easy task for the state government. Government has decided to convey the same to the Supreme Court. As per Supreme Court's order, government has held e-auctions of 3 stocks of extracted ore.
कोर्टाक आमी एक सांगूंक सोदता e-auction is not a job of the government in Goan circumstances because there are too many things involved, too many variables. गांव थंयचो ट्रांसपोर्टेशन मागीर तुजें तें जेटी मागीर हे दिवप फक्त सर्टिफिकेट दिवप वेगळें आनी टू बिकम अ ओनर यू ऑल्सो ओ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. गव्हर्मेंट इज नॉट गुड फॉर बिजनेस. म्हाका पडतो पडटा मरे प्रत्येकातून.
On Wednesday, Kaure villagers met Chief Minister once again. Chief Minister assured them that vehicle tracking system will not allow illegal ore transportation. He also asked the Mines Department to resurvey the extracted ore at Kaure on Monday.
They can put their supervisory staff. I will pay them also if required. And I have assured them there will be no hanky-panky. Secondly, we will do the survey on Monday for some extra material is there. Now we have to check up whether that material is dumped or it is within the lease. Because if it is outside the lease, it is dumped. If it is within lease, then we will have to record it. Ultimately, that also belongs to government. And because of the system, we showed them the system is live. You can see it, they can see it, she can see it. Anyone can see the system live on the record. You don't have to go to the site also to see the system. So there cannot be any theft with that kind of system. Still, if they want, they can put security. And I have called them on Monday for doing the survey there. And Tuesday for all these other solutions. I think it is more of a tussle between the two groups rather than actual red flag. If a transporter is caught in illegality earlier and has been punished or at least something has done, then only you can say. Otherwise, if every truck I start identifying as then it is impossible.
Government will soon appoint state Lokayukta and state information commissioners.
Lokayukta चालू करतलो because about 10 judges are retiring these days. Have retired also.
दोन्ही घेतले बरोबर.
ना I am not taking उपयोग. लोकायुक्त जाग्यार पडटा म्हणून नाका शिवड जाता ते.
ऐसा कमिशनर ते स्टेट कमिशनर केन्ना डिक्लेअर करता. SIC
फुडल्या कॅबिनेटाक करता. चुकून उरल्या ते कॅबिनेटाक.
Our reporter from Panji, Mahesh Gadi, with video journalist Turshida Chari for Prudent.
Panji police has bust a racket of motorbike thieves. 2 thieves have been arrested. 13 scooters have been recovered from them and more seizure is expected. Surprisingly, out of the 2 accused, one is a policeman. Accused LDC Vishal Sawant from police headquarters was already under suspension. Police claims that the team is in search of more robbed bikes. Panji police has successfully nabbed 2 robbers involved in motorbikes theft. Ironically, one of the robbers is the staff of Panji police. LDC of police headquarters, Vishal Sawant, a resident of Porvorim, was already under suspension. Another accused, Pratik Chichonekar, native of Karnataka, is also arrested. They were involved in motorbikes robbery in Panji, Porvorim and nearby areas.
Last night we have arrested 2 persons. Vishal Sugan Sawant. पोरवरी रावता आनी दुसरो प्रतीक राजन चिचेलकर हो नेटिव ऑफ बेलगांव सद्याक तो पोरवरीन शिंगता. सो हांकां दोगांकी धरल्या आनी ते कडच्यान आमी काल राती 13 मोटरसायकल्स स्कूटर्स अटॅच केल्या आनी मोबायल आनी मोटरसायकल मेळपाक चान्सीस आहा. मोस्ट ऑफ द मोटरसायकल्स वीच हॅव बीन टेकन बाय देम वेर पास्ड बाय द जनरल पब्लीक विदाउट लॉकिंग. सो मेन म्हणल्यार पब्लिकांनी मोटरसायकली दवरता थिंगासर आपल्याची मोटरसायकल लॉक करपाक जाय.
GA07M 2155 Suzuki Access red color.
केन्ना चोरी जाली?
Sunday evening around 7 o'clock. I had gone to Joggers Park for jogging. Myself and my wife. When we came back at about 8 o'clock, scooter was missing from the spot. So where I had parked it.
Chetan Gawas for Prudent. Yet again, Transport Department has cancelled the HSRP contract. This is the 3rd time the department has cancelled the contract. New tender will be floated on Thursday. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.